How does bio-individuality change athletic nutrient timing? Have you ever wondered how your unique body affects your nutrition needs as an athlete? Let's break down the concept of bio-individuality and its impact on nutrient timing. Bio-individuality refers to the distinct characteristics of each athlete. This includes factors like genetics, metabolism, training intensity, recovery needs, digestive tolerance, and lifestyle choices. Understanding these differences is essential for optimizing athletic performance and recovery through nutrient timing. Nutrient timing is all about when you consume nutrients, primarily carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, before, during, and after exercise. This strategy aims to maximize energy availability and enhance recovery. While there are general guidelines, bio-individuality means that these guidelines need to be adjusted for each athlete. Let's look at how bio-individuality influences nutrient timing. First, consider pre-exercise nutrition. Some athletes can handle a larger meal 3 to 4 hours before training. Others may need smaller, easily digestible snacks closer to their workout. The balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats can also vary. For instance, an athlete with slower digestion might avoid fats and proteins right before exercise to prevent any stomach issues. Next, during exercise, fueling needs are affected by the duration and intensity of the activity. Individual sweat rates and energy expenditure play a role too. Some athletes might need to consume carbohydrates more frequently during endurance events, while others may requiring less. Personal tolerance for sports drinks, gels, or solid foods can also differ greatly. After exercise, recovery nutrition is key. Recovery goals can vary based on the sport, training load, and how quickly an athlete recovers. Some may need to replenish glycogen and repair muscles right after exercising, requiring carbohydrates and proteins within 30 to 45 minutes. Others might have a slower recovery rate, which can change how much and when they need to eat. Genetic factors also come into play. They can influence how efficiently an athlete metabolizes carbohydrates and proteins. This affects the timing and quantity of nutrients needed for optimal recovery. For example, some athletes may thrive on frequent smaller meals, while others perform better with larger, less frequent meals. Training phases also impact nutrient timing. Different phases, such as endurance or strength training, requiring adjustments based on individual adaptation needs. Bio-individuality dictates how an athlete responds to these phases and how nutrient timing supports those adaptations. For practical applications, athletes should experiment with meal timing and composition during training. This helps identify what best supports energy levels, digestion, and recovery. Adjusting carbohydrate intake before, during, and after exercise based on personal energy demands is also essential. Prioritizing protein intake after exercise can align with individual muscle repair rates. Monitoring hydration and electrolyte needs tailored to sweat rates is crucial too. Using feedback from performance and recovery can help fine-tune nutrient timing strategies. By personalizing nutrient timing to fit each athlete's unique physiology and training demands, performance can be optimized, fatigue reduced, and recovery improved. This approach is vital for effective training and competition.